What is up, guys? My name is Dennis Speltz. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day today. So I just recently, I think about 10 minutes ago, I just hit 900 subscribers, and you guys know every 100 subscribers I'll do another giveaway. So I wanted to give away something that I knew worked and that I knew I've caught fish on, and so I'll say that in just a little bit. But I've been fishing probably for the past 3 days, and it's been raining a lot, very mucky water, very flooded water, and I haven't been able to actually catch anything. And I know that's just because of how the flood is and stuff, so I'm hoping in a couple days, I'm hoping it gets warmer and the fishing's going to be a little bit better, because I think it's been about 3 to 4 days since I posted a video, and I'm trying my best to get these videos out as much as I can, but it's a little bit harder when the water is not very clear, it's very mucky and very deep, and it's not as good fishing, and the fishing is... So it's a little bit harder when So it's a little bit harder right now just because of how the water is and how hard it is to catch fish with all this mucky water, how cold it is. More of the trout and creek chubs are going to be a little bit less active. So I'm going to be fishing probably every day, and I'm going to try to get as much videos as I can. Alright guys, so I'm going to try to get as much videos out as I can during this winter time before it gets to where I can make some ice fishing videos, and then I might make some Florida videos during Christmas break. But for now, I'm just going to try to go for at least 1 or 2 videos per week that I can upload, just because of how hard it is to actually catch some fish during this kind of cold weather where the trout aren't as active, and I'll still be able to try to catch some bass and still make some great videos. So hope you guys look forward to those videos. But for today's giveaway, first, the winner will get a Panther Martin with still in its packaging right there, and then it's going to come with a tackle box right here, and inside the tackle box you're going to get, you guys might have seen one of these in my videos. This is a trout jerkbait. It's a great bait. I've caught a lot of trout, a lot of creek chubs, so I picked up another one for you guys. A little fly for you people who fly fish. I do not fly fish, but I want to get into it. But there's going to be a little fly, a whole bunch of sinkers. I don't count it, but it's probably around 10 to 15. And then there's hooks on this side too. And the last thing is just little jigs for trout. So I just wanted to basically make a trout kit. So this costs $8. This costs around $3. So it's probably just about $20 to $25 trout kit. And the spinners are $5 or $4.99 to be technical, but it's not too expensive. But I think it'll help you guys catch some trout. If you guys haven't maybe trout fished before, this is your basic starting kit. And so I just want to give you guys something that I know works, and I know you guys will catch fish on it. And so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's a really short video, but I'm still trying to post videos for you guys, and this is one of them. And I'll probably be out tomorrow trying to catch more fish, but I'm hoping the water clears up and gets a little bit warmer, so I'll be able to catch some more fish. But thanks everyone for watching. Thank you guys so much for 900 subscribers. And so, thanks everyone for watching. Thank you guys so much for 900 subscribers. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Alright guys, so if you guys would like to be... Alright, so to enter yourself in the giveaway, all you guys gotta do is turn on post notifications, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you already are, thank you guys for already subscribing. But subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and the last thing you do is leave a comment. It could be about anything. If you want to talk to me about a cool fish you caught, talk about fishing. It can literally be about anything you guys want. Just leave a comment below about anything, and you guys will be entered in the giveaway. So, thanks everyone for watching. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.